Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Right here I have 3 pictures from an anonymous subscriber. So the picture number 1, you can see the dog have tear stains. Picture number 2, the owner followed my advices about cleaning and everything. And picture number 3, you can see the final results. Now let's get started with the video. She's Candy, my Coton de Tulear. She has 5 years old and I record this video on Monday at 9 a.m. and 2 days before I didn't clean my dog's face. So now she has a dirty face. I want to tell you it's completely normal if your dog have tears. They are animals and they are clean themselves with the front legs and nails. So if your dog have tear stains or hair oxidized, it will stand it from face to front legs and genitals. So be careful. You have to stop this right now if your dog have a lot of tears in his face. If you see my dog has a pretty white hair, it's very difficult to keep clean and white this kind of hairs. But I'm doing. If I'm doing, you can do it. And I'm going to help you today. Some dogs usually have brown stains around the eye area, under the lower eyelids there. Do you wonder why they are? They are the product of dogs' tears. Guys, you remember, wet hair around the eye area is a perfect place for bacteria and yeast. So be careful and you have to clean this area. If your dog has a lot of tear around the area of the eye area, maybe this is about the obstruction of the tear ducts. If you notice this, go to the vet as quickly as possible. Maybe it's an obstruction. When the puppies are growing, they have more acid tears, and for this reason the reddish coloration in the eye area and mouth. And guys, please don't forget clean your dog face daily. Only if it's necessary in some cases, but you have to use a wet cloth with warm water. The breath. Those with large eyes or bulging eyes are more prone to stains. Feeding. The dog's food determines the composition of his tears. Sometimes changing the diet, homemade food or kibbles grain-free, the stains are less or just disappear. The water. The water that comes out of the tap or raw water, I don't know how to call that, usually contains many minerals which produce stains. Change to filtered or bottled water. It's better. And provide drinking fountains and feeders bowls made of stainless steel or ceramic, not plastic, to prevent the bacteria or fungus. Eventually, I use small scissors to trim the little hairs with the stains around the eye area. I brush almost daily her teeth to avoid problems in the future, for example, extractions or infections. After a good behavior, prize your dog. This is very, very important. And when your dog produces tears, when they bark, playing, crying, when they are happy, when they are wake up, and when they taking some bath. And after you have the dog clean of tears, try to keep the area dry. You can use a towel, toilet paper, paper towel, and dry the eye area, and then your dog will not accumulate tears or stains. And here you have a before and after. I know that Candy's face is very clean and white, but I just wanted to give you my secrets of how I keep her face clean and white all the time. Please follow me on my social media and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my last videos, and see you next time. Bye bye!